You spent most of your life hiding your struggles, worrying that sharing them might make you seem less capable. I've been there too. But embracing vulnerability in my new online business has actually transformed not just my work, but also how I connect with all of you. This journey is teaching me that there's immense power in being real and raw about the challenges we all face. It's scary, yes, but it's also what draws us closer to our tribe, those who can relate to us and support us. And guess what? This new business model I've embraced allows me to be honest about my life while building a sustainable income. It's about making money authentically and creating a legacy for our families without the soul-crushing hustle. Are you ready to join a community where your true self is not just accepted, but celebrated? Your messy story, the means to your success? Let's redefine what you're even believing success is together. If you're craving a change and you yearn to be part of a community that values realness over perfection, drop a ready in the comments or reach out to me directly. Let's do this journey together.